Hey everyone, welcome back to MindNex. If you've ever thought, I'm too lazy to work but still want to make money, this video is for you. Because today, I'll show you 5 amazing AI tools that can literally do the hard work for you, from writing to designing to even making money while you sleep. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the lazy way to make money online in 2025. Tool number 1. Copy.ai. Tired of writing emails, ads, or captions? Just give Copy.ai a few keywords and boom, it writes your content instantly. Marketers, freelancers, and small businesses are using it to create posts, product descriptions, and blog content in seconds. Even if you're too lazy to type, Copy.ai will do it for you. Lazy tip. Use it to generate Upwork or Fiverr gig descriptions and get clients with 0 effort. Tool number 2, Pictory.ai. Don't like showing your face? No problem. Pictory can turn any text or script into a professional video automatically, complete with visuals, background music, and voiceover. People are using it to run faceless YouTube channels that make thousands every month. Lazy tip. Convert trending Reddit stories or blog posts into videos. No editing skills needed. Tool number 3. Canva Magic Studio. Forget Photoshop. Canva's AI magic tools can design social posts, YouTube thumbnails, logos, and even full presentations in seconds. Just type what you need, like create a modern YouTube thumbnail about AI tools, and it does everything. Lazy tip. Sell templates on Etsy or Gumroad. It's passive income for creative, lazy people. Tool number 4. ElevenLabs. This tool gives you ultra-realistic AI voices. Perfect if you don't want to record your voice for YouTube or TikTok. Just upload your script, and you'll get a smooth, natural voiceover ready to use. Lazy tip. Start a faceless TikTok or Shorts channel using this. People are literally earning ad revenue plus affiliate income. Tool number 5. Notion AI plus ChatGPT combo. These two together can automate content creation, blog ideas, and business planning. You can even create Notion templates and sell them online. AI helps you build and optimize everything. Lazy tip. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, Notion templates, or small digital products, all while chilling. So, if you're lazy but smart enough to use AI, congratulations! You're already ahead of 90% of people. Which of these AI tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more AI tools that make life easier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one. This is MindNex, your shortcut to the future of AI and money.